Can you believe that it was almost 100 degrees today and I was not even able to come out here in the daylight to complete this project? But alas, it finally cooled down. It's 8:30 at night. Unfortunately, this is how late I had to wait to come back out, and I was making dinner. So it's going to take a little bit of time to finish up what I've started. So let's get right into it. So I've just inserted the video of what this used to be, compost bin inside of the house. And this is all the bamboo. Before that, used to hold up the tomatoes that I had here. So basically, I think last year I had tomatoes in my third 4-foot bin, the last one down here. And I had made like a bamboo like fence, almost like a cattle thingy, cattle fence, but I made it out of the bamboo. So that's why I have so many bamboo. So basically, I needed it to be high enough for taller people to walk under it. And then I took like 2 of these. I think they're 6 feet. These are 6 feet bamboo. And I fastened 2 together, but pulled it up a little bit more. And then I put them through this plastic here. This is what I'm talking about. So I fastened them before pushing them through. No particular count, but just so that when they were here, it would be, not falling off of the plastic in any particular position. And so what I have here on both sides is 4 posts, if you will, in between, weaving through the plastic. And what I think I want to do is reinforce this entire thing with some more wood that I have on the side. Let me go get that so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you see here? So I've got these plastic posts that you just push in with your foot, and they have metal supports at the bottom. And then I have, these are really old. These are wooden. This is 5 feet, and these are shorter. 5 feet and 3 foot, heavier wood that I think it makes sense to just go ahead and push. I'm gonna use the plastics. I think that makes sense. So let's do that now. I think all I have to do is step on it because it has like this thing. So I'm gonna go like this. Maybe do it this way. And then I should be able to either use a mallet, push it in, or step on it with my foot. Mosquito's trying to get me. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so my foot, it's working. So that's there. And then all I gotta do is fasten everything together. And then this one, go right here in front of it. Just once in a while, we actually do get a few storms. And now we'll wrap something in there. Okay. Okay. And now, actually, it's not in a good spot. Oh gosh. Needs to be a little bit more. Let's do it this way. Yeah, right there. I have a mallet. That will probably be better than using my foot. And now I can't get it in. Okay, there I go. Anyway, you get the point. You get like a mallet or something. It's just, it hasn't rained. That's good. That's fine. It hasn't rained at all. It hasn't rained in like 2 weeks. It has not rained in like 2 weeks, so I probably should get my mallet. I do have a rubber mallet, but just want to support it. So once the potatoes are already growing, and when it gets heavy and it's vining, you know, perfect. I think this is great. I think this is fabulous. So now let's put the camera on this side. So I have no idea if this is going to work. This may not work. It may work. In my head, it's a good idea. Okay, so basically, I want to, let's get on the ladder. I want to string this and then like somehow connect everything. Gosh. So that's not, let me try this way. Yeah, that's easier. I feel dizzy. So I'm looking up at the sky. Yeah, my gosh. This is insane. What am I doing? And now I feel like I should do the middle first. Oh, God. Me and my friggin' bright ideas. I'm telling you. I love it because if it works, and the fact that I made it, oh my God, it's going to be gorgeous. Can you imagine? Where'd you get that trellis? Oh, I made it. That's the vibe. That's the vibe. Okay. I think I got my first one through. Right? Come on. Right? Okay. Yes. Yes. Success. Success. We did it. We did it. Oh, 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 oh. And then, right. Now, I started from the top. I'm trying to be conscious of the camera. I want to show y'all, but I also don't want to expose ooh, a strawberry. I don't want to expose myself. Okay. Nice. Hopefully the lighting, I know it's dark now. Okay, so. Okay. I'm liking it. I'm digging it. Weaving it through. And then the back just follows through. And I need to move up so I don't fall. I need to move the ladder. So what's supposed to happen is the sticks get tied together. You know, I'm going to put the other two in the center. And then the ends, these four, this is just to, I don't know if I need two in the middle. What does that look like? Let me look. Oh, it looks good. Do I want to put, it may not need it, to be honest. But I'll just put one in the middle just for a safety measure. Now, how the hell am I going to do that from here? I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to do this part. Why is there a spider in there? I guess I could put it here, like this. See, I've got a brain, babe. Wait, oh gosh. Maybe I don't have a brain. Okay, I'm trying to figure out. Okay, let's just do it. I don't know if I need the top part, but this is really, I'm struggling here because I'm trying to figure out. I'm gonna have to like do this. Totally struggling. And like, this is like really difficult. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, let's just do it from in here. Let's push this. Stop moving. Let's push this all the way. Oh, you know what I should do? Maybe I should do it this way. That's easier. Yeah, let's do that. I like that idea. And then I can tie all three together like a teepee. Smart, clever girl. Yeah. More support because this is where that makes sense because this is where the leaves are gonna come down. So I wish I could bring the camera. Oh, I'll bring the camera up in a second. Oh goddamn! I feel so smart. I feel like such a I feel like a clever girl. I do. I really do. So now we've got a really nice supportive top, like a bra. And then, I mean, shit, I don't even feel like I need to tie it. I'm gonna tie it, but it almost doesn't need it. And then we have a place, birds will be sitting up here, I'm sure, because the bird's always perching on the bamboo. Okay. Now let's get what side am I gonna do? This side. Let's bring the camera over here. I'm literally pushing it because the sun is definitely, it's summer solstice. Okay. I think I did it from the bottom. Right? This side. Ooh, goddamn spiders. It's literally like a spider right there, and I'm just ignoring it. Her, him, her. Come on, come on, come on. Do it, do it, do it. Nice. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I made myself an arch. I made myself an arch. Yeah. Ooh, I made an arch. Yeah, I actually did it. I made an arch. This is like 7 feet. I made a 7 foot arch. Let me get the camera to show you what I did. I would say it's about 7 feet. So tomorrow I will fasten the corners, but this is it. It worked. I did it. I think I'll fasten them to the white part, the white poles right there. I'll fasten all the corners, and here's the sweet potatoes right here. They're getting ready to climb. I've got 4. One here, that one, that one. And it's gonna trellis up here over the arch, and it's going to be beautiful. And I'll have a place right there for the birds to perch, because they will be perching. They love to perch. and hang out in my garden. I am so excited. I love a DIY project. I'm so happy that it worked. I didn't have to buy a metal arch. So that's it. Here I am under my arch. I am going to go in the house and change my clothes so I can put some flowers in and water. The mosquitoes are biting my ankles. And that's it. Thank you for watching All Purpose Vegan Chronicles. If you have some things laying around your yard, I encourage you to just create something. You can repurpose, recycle, all types of things for planters, for things like this. And please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.